Welcome back, my lovely students. I hope you all are very fine and doing well in studies. Today we are going to discuss about balanced diet and raw food and cooked food. Why we used to cook our food, that also we will discuss in our video, and what happen if we will overcook our food. Okay, that also we are going to discuss in this video. So let's start. First of all, what is balanced diet? Balance means what? Which is having the equal amount of all the thing. Okay, that is the meaning of balance. So balanced diet are that type of food which have all the type of the nutrient which is required by our body in a correct proportion or correct ratio. It means the carbohydrate is needed more as compared to the other nutrient. Okay, so we have to eat that quantity of carbohydrate. Minerals and vitamins are required very less in amount. That's why we are eating very less vegetables, okay, as compared to the carbohydrate. So that is the way we used to eat our food. That is the balanced diet. We have to include each and every type of mineral in our daily meal. Okay, that's why we are eating the different type of fruits, different type of vegetables, and all including water and roughage also. Okay, that is only known as balanced diet. So let's read. A diet that has all the nutrient in the correct amount or the right amount including roughage and water is called balanced diet. Milk is known as the complete food. Do you know why? Because it have all the type of the nutrients including water. So if one glass of milk we are drinking every day, that is a great source of each and every type of nutrients. Next we are going to talk about the raw food. Raw food, some of the vegetables and fruit, obviously fruit we always used to eat raw, but some of the some of the vegetables like carrot, beans, broccoli, beetroot, okay, these we used to eat raw, and these are very good for our gum. Okay, as we are biting and we are chewing, that the good exercise of gum is also there, and it is also the way to consume all the nutrient completely. If we are eating raw beetroot, all the nutrient is present in the beetroot will go in our body without cooking. Okay, so that's why we have to eat some of the raw vegetables and fruit especially in our daily life, and every day we must say, so that we can have the complete nutrient, okay, in our daily life, and it is also good for our health. So whatever vegetable we should eat raw, we should always eat as a salad or in somehow in other way. Next we are going to talk about the cooked food. Why we used to cook our food? If we will talk about the chapatis, rice, pulses, why we used to cook? Okay, because it make our food tasty first of all, and second it make it softer, okay, so that our body can digest in a proper way. The most important reason to kill the germs. Whenever we are buying anything from the market, we all are knowing that can have a lot of type of germ, and if we are eating we are cooking them, we are cooking on the temperature, high temperature always, either we are boiling or frying or something, and in that we provide a lot of temperature, and on that temperature germs used to die. That's why we used to cook our food. Multiple reason is there. So most importantly, to kill the microbes or germs, okay, in our food. Second, it make our food softer, which help in the proper digestion. Okay, if we will talk about the method of the cooking, there are different methods of cooking. First is the steaming. That means we used to cover the food, keeping some amount of water in that, and we used to just steam so that it will become very soft. Okay, the momos, which is a junk food actually, we used to steam, and some of the vegetable like beans we used to steam, and we just consume that. Okay, so that the nutrient is will be maintained in that. Next is roasting. Roasting is a way on which we keep the things on the fire, okay, and it used to roast. Next is boiling. Boiling, you all are knowing, we take a lot of amount of water, in that we put all the food and we used to boil, okay. Next, one more is there, that is frying, okay. Frying, in which we put the oil, and in that we used to keep all the food, and it used to cook due to that. But whenever we are cooking our food, we have to keep in our mind that we don't have to overcook our food. Why? Because all the nutrient will be spoiled, okay. We can say it will be removed. If we are overcooking our food, it will be removed from our food. So to maintain the proper nutrient in our food, we have to cook whatever is required by our food. If we are overcooking, we are putting a lot of water and we are keep on boiling unnecessarily, then all the nutrients will be removed from our food, and the complete nutrient will not go in our body, and we will not have the complete 100% result of that food. So whenever we are cooking our food, we have to cook only a little bit, okay, so that the nutrient will be maintained in that. So I hope you all have understood all these three topics, okay. One more topic is there in our chapter, okay, we will discuss in this next in the next class, but till here I hope you all have understood very nicely. Thank you so much for watching.